In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split transactions in Xero, a crucial skill for those managing finances who need to allocate transactions across different categories or split charges between several accounts. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to navigate to Xero. Start by logging into your Xero account and heading to your dashboard. Once there, look for the Accounting tab in the main menu. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll select Bank Accounts. Now that you're in the bank account section, look for the bank account you want to work with. Next to that account, you'll see a Manage Account option. Click on this to proceed further. Within this menu, you'll find the Reconcile Account option. Go ahead and click on it. This will transition us into the reconciliation process, where you have the opportunity to match transactions. In the Reconcile window, you will see a Find and Match option. Click it, and Xero will start bringing up transactions that may correspond with those you want to match. It's a helpful tool that makes finding the relevant entries much easier. The next step is crucial: choosing the transaction you want to split. This requires a bit of attention as you'll need to ensure you're selecting the correct transaction in your account. Once you've located it, simply click the checkbox corresponding to the transaction you want to split. This might take a moment, but having the right transaction is key to proper reconciliation. After selecting the desired transaction, look for the Split button. This button is essential for our task today, so click on it to initiate the split process. Here's where you get to adjust things to fit your accounting needs. Once you click on Split, you'll be taken to a section where you can edit the amount. This allows you to break down the transaction into multiple parts, allocating different amounts to separate categories or accounts. Take your time to enter the exact figures that accurately reflect the true nature of each portion of the transaction. Finally, with your amounts correctly entered and double-checked, click on the Split button again to save and finalize your changes. This confirms the split and updates the reconciliation process to reflect the new allocations. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to split transactions in Xero. By following these steps, you can ensure accurate financial reporting, making sure your books are in perfect balance and categories are well organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Xero tips and tricks. See you in the next video.